Hi, we're Val and Tracy V. This is Val and I'm Tracy, and we'd like to welcome you to our website. Those of you that already know us, feel free to have a look around. There's always new information on the site so that you can be nosy to see what we're getting up to. Those of you that don't know us, you're obviously here for a reason, and the reason may be that internet marketing appeals to you. And so hopefully it gives you just enough insight into finding out just what you need to do to become an internet marketer. And we are now in a very happy place, which we wasn't a couple of years ago. We had high-powered jobs, or Val ran his own business, but he always had to be around. He could never take holiday because he was self-employed. And as you know, as being self-employed, you have to work in order to keep going. I had to answer to a boss, which I didn't really enjoy doing at all. Internet marketing is a fantastic business to get involved in if you're one that would like to access your business anywhere in the world, that loves to spend quality time with family and friends, that likes the money that you can do whatever you want with. And I think actually it's the lifestyle that goes with the wealth that's the most important, which is the best thing that stands out in this business. And we would love to share with you what our journey along the way, give you the tools, give you the knowledge and the expertise to help you become an internet marketer like us.
Yeah, absolutely. Everything that Tracy said I completely agree with. I mean, when we first started looking at doing something different, we wanted to get a second income. We wanted to produce a bit more cash every week, so hopefully we could afford to do a bit more with the kids or go and see our friends. And we never thought for a second that we were going to get something that was going to completely transform our life, something that would give us so much passion that we could get involved in this and do this together. Because Tracy's right, the wealth is really important. Don't get me wrong, we all do it to earn more money, and unless you're sitting there and you've got loads of money and you just want to do internet marketing as a hobby, then fair play to you. But most of us will do it for the money. But you need the time to be able to spend the money. You need the freedom that goes with that. And I think that's really what you were saying, It is the lifestyle, it's the dreams that you can bring about, the fact that we can spend more time with our children, with our friends, with each other. We love spending time with each other. We can afford to go on holiday. The beauty is that when we go on holiday, we kind of tend to work as well, don't we?
Well, this business is really enjoyable. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to answer to anybody. You can pick up your laptop and you can start work, and it's actually fun. Fun whilst you're making money. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I mean, of course you're going to have to put work in any business that you do, but the fact that it's enjoyable, that you actually want to pick up your laptop and find out what's going on out there and to talk to people, it's brilliant. So we're lucky we found it. And I think anybody that is considering getting involved in a business, it's got to be in the internet. We have done years of research into finding a business that we could get involved in that we knew would have longevity. Internet is what children know. They're coming out of school. It's a language that's really, it's in their lives. And we learn a lot of our own children. And so they understand it, and that's where everybody spends their money. They buy on the internet, they communicate on the internet. So we kind of moved with the times, and if you don't want to be left behind, I really do believe that this is the business that you should get involved in.
Yeah, I mean, just to finish off really, we knew nothing about internet marketing, nothing, absolutely nothing. We knew how to shop on the internet, or Tracy knew how to shop on the internet more than anything, and the difference between now and then is that now we can afford to shop on the internet because the money comes in and we've got the time to actually do these things. But the beauty of this is that it's very simple to use. We have a fantastic system in place that you can duplicate. You can replicate exactly what we've done. We have a community that will back us up. We have a support system in place for you, and you would have us as your mentors. And that's really what this site is about. If internet marketing is something, at worst that you're just curious about, or at best it's something you want to get involved in, then you may well have come to the right place. And one of the things that we found that is fantastic. Of course, the lifestyle. It's nice that today we're shooting this short video just for you. And that's all we're doing. We're just taking 10 minutes out of our day to do this for you, and that's it. We're taking the rest of the day off. We decided to do that because tomorrow we just do a bit then. It's a fantastic way to earn a living. And the one thing that we can actually guarantee you right now is that we are going to continue making money on the internet. Of that there is no question, and we're going to do that for the rest of our lives. If it's something that you want to do too, then come and talk to us. You know, have a look around the site first, you know, get to know a bit about us. You know, if you like the feel of us, then we'd be very happy to talk to you. We are, however, and we've got to stipulate this, you know, we look for only a maximum of 2 people every single week. We get an awful lot of traffic coming to our site, people wanting to do that, but to give you the time that you need, you know, we can only take on 2 people. So if you want to be one of those people, you know, please get in contact with us.
Yeah, I think really just to reinforce what Val said is that we only want to take on 2 people a week, and that's purely so that we can dedicate our time to them. I've been teaching for many, many years, coaching, and I see the value in having just a limited amount of people so that you can spend time with them to get them to where you want them to be. Because at the end of the day, we're going to make money from you. It's in our interest for you to be successful, and that's why we're fortunate. I think that we have discovered the ways to do it, and the ways to do it is not to be greedy in this business and just take loads of people on to try and get as much money as possible. It's about quality, and in time that will grow and make money for us. So please feel free, again, to have a look around the site and get in contact with us if you want to choose us further to explore the ways in which we can help you.
Thank you.